Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this business loan broker training, we're going to talk a little bit more about purchase order financing and how this can be a great lending option for your customers. So, purchase order financing typically is available for purchase orders with the amount of $5,000 or higher, and this is a place where this is a type of financing where borrowers can get up to 95% of a purchase order advanced to them, and the 5% less the lender's fee is released once the actual invoice is paid. So, what's nice about purchase order financing is instead of needing to go and buy everything that's needed to fulfill a product, with purchase order financing, the business is actually able to come in and get up to 95% of that financing for that purchase, not using their own money, which makes it easy for them to or to not dip into their cash flow, but still be able to fulfill huge orders for their business. Rates are typically 1 to 4%, no credit score requirements to qualify, no revenue requirements either. And what happens here is basically the lender issues a letter of credit to the supplier, letting them know that when the item is shipped, they will release funds. Once the item is proven to be shipped, then they release the funds to that supplier. Now, it can't be for unfurnished goods. That won't work for purchase order financing, and all that's typically needed for approval is the application and a copy of the actual purchase orders themselves. And this can pay you sometimes 0.5%, sometimes or more. Look, purchase order financing is not going to be a real lucrative product for you as a business loan broker. But again, we've got to do what's best for the customer, and purchase order financing is a great option that helps ease cash flow constraints that people that need to purchase or need to fulfill purchase orders have. And again, it helps you help your customer, helps them put more money in their pocket instead of spending it on things they could use financing for, which then makes it easier for them to operate and do business. If you have more questions on purchase order financing, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Credit Suite. Also, feel free to give us a ring at 877-600-2487. Email us info@creditsuite.com, or visit us online and grab your free training at creditsuite.com/loan broker.